the slime of life. I'm Sandy Staub with Life Water Ranch, and we got a big aloe vera from a friend, and I'm squeezing out the aloe vera because it's one of the best things for you. It's good for your gut and good for digestion, good for your immune system, good for your skin, good for burns, of course. It's really great stuff. So how do you preserve this stuff? And I've seen things online, but I thought I'd show you what I'm doing here. So you take these large leaves and you squeeze out the juice, and it can be pink or yellow or clear. All those colors are expected, and no one knows why they change color, but that can be done. That can come out, and it's not a problem. And then we'll put them in here, and then we'll mix them up with a blender. Maybe add a little water if we need to, and then we'll put them in ice trays. And we'll have these ice cubes, aloe vera ice cubes, that we can then put on cuts or stick in a smoothie or whatever, and it should preserve it for a long time. So we can have this available for guests that want to use them at Life Water Ranch. So I'm going to take a typical huge one. Some of these are a little beat up, hopefully not. I cut them as close to the stalk as I could, so I didn't show that part. I usually cut them, if they're really big, I cut them in half lengthwise and then cut them off so I don't get too a slop here, a blob. And this is really slimy stuff. This is not for the weak. Okay, so it's very snotty problem. So I take a rolling pin. The cut in half is kind of nice. Opens it up. I kind of roll it gently in here. A little bit of cracking. I don't want to totally destroy the skin because it will blow out the skin if you do it all at once. And then once I get it started, I start to press a little more, and until I get it pretty deep where I'm squishing out all the juice. Lots of juice in these big ones. You might have a small plant, that's fine, you can get a lot out of there. You probably don't need to preserve that. It's better to keep it alive and have it when you need it, but some of these plants can get huge, and it's nice to make this gel because you can then drink it, which is very good for internal use as well as external. And of course, it's amazing stuff. And it is as slimy as snot. Quite, and I try to pull it out here. There's a lot of gelatinous parts in there that if you can get all that off, you're not going to get all, but you get enough of it. And then I made a little jar here with a funnel, and I use a knife to guide the slime into the funnel. And there we go. So we just need one leaf, and we'll keep working on these. Okay, now we're going to take our blender and we're going to pour our aloe vera into there. One nice neat slime ball. And just mix it up a little bit. Okay. Very slimy. We don't want to whip it, we don't want to get it hot. We just want to mix it up good so it's an even, slimy consistency. Really great for that. And then we're going to take we'll take an ice cube tray. Get this down here, there you go. And we're going to pour the slime into the trays. Now the hard thing is it doesn't want to split up. It's like one gelatinous fun little thing. Don't want to get them too full because we got to get them separate so they'll come out. There's our slime. Get them all kind of about the same. And pop that in the freezer. Take the cubes out of the freezer. A little bit. Throw them in a bag. And they're ready to enjoy with a smoothie